got no line.
Yeah, that's a booster.
That looks way more. No, I'm just looking at the way they did it. It made it way more.
See the lineup? Lineup for today. We're at the Joker's Wild car and bike show with G-Wiz, Bike Blessing, all that. They do this every year here in Hillside, New Jersey. So we got some sports bikes out here, got some Zugis, got some Harleys, some Bullies. More Harleys. Got a Beamer. Got some Can-Am Spiders. Got some Victories. Say it again.
What's your YouTube? NJ what?
Jersey. Jersey Rider. Jerzey Rider 111.
I did want to go sleep today too. I saw y'all niggas out here trying to see y'all muscles.
I might have to come back.
Like four push-ups before I left home.
I might have to come back and get my chair and shit.
Yeah, I'll take the same thing. I was thinking about bringing my other chair.